What's the most silliest thing you have done?
I go buy iPhone 15 Pro Max from somebody to collect number from girl.
You be mumu.
I give girl phone, she put number. He said she could go straight, put her number. She called, they look the phone, they admire her.
What type of plane is this?
This is iPhone 15 Pro Max. Oh, wow. Mumu na the smile. Yes, iPhone 15 Pro Max. For phone when I borrow. As she look the phone, they admire her. Now iPhone 15 Pro Max, they take it fall from her hand. Pa. Nakota. Pa. Phone blind.
Marvelous.
I agree to everybody, whether I'm a senior and I'm a junior.
What's the most silliest thing you have done?
I go buy iPhone 15 Pro Max from somebody to collect number from girl.
You be mumu.
I give girl phone, she put number. He said she could go straight, put her number. She called, they look the phone, they admire her.
What type of plane is this?
This is iPhone 15 Pro Max. Oh, wow. Mumu na the smile. Yes, iPhone 15 Pro Max. For phone when I borrow. As she look the phone, they admire her. Now iPhone 15 Pro Max, they take it fall from her hand. Pa. Nakota. Pa. Phone blind. And you say, hey, sorry. Sorry. Sorry, waiting. Sorry, what? Go buy new one, you shouldn't be sorry.
I'm sorry, yo.
Say sorry nah. In my mind, like saying, you know, nothing about this phone. If you know, you're not going to talk sorry.
No.
I not be say I want data.
So why did you ask for her number?
She just fine. I make her collect her number. Because my only fine gets number they collect.
You be mumu.
That she go for person, I will keep promise. They tell me sorry. I'm really sorry. Come on, go meet your papa, Joe. And say, are you not a man? You should be able to handle this. I'm a man, I should be able to handle this. But your papa too, a man, I'm going to go meet her. I'm supposed to handle her too.
Will you keep quiet?
If boys want to come, because so you know solve this problem. And you say, father is on sick bed, though.
He shock you.
The father is on sick bed. But get money, sha. And I say, no. They usually give money to buy medicine for him. That they don't have money to feed safe.
What type of
that
plane?
That she won't go like this.
Photo.
You won't go like this. The father is on sick bed. And you get my coin here, they admire for 50 Pro Max.
He shock you.
So.
Now, whether to cut the long story short, I just came back from prison yesterday after sleeping there 2 weeks. They released me with the condition that I go to pay owner of 15 Pro Max 3K every day for 3 years before the money go complete.
She what?
Not be juju be that.
Like this, if I dey go work,
Continue.
go carry like 500 block for site. So I'll give that guy money for today. See, Mummy, this I go use my small item button for to collect number from the girl. I want from big boy.
They have left you behind.
Go buy for 15 Pro Max of somebody to collect number from that idiot. The Momo go 4% of 15 Pro Max, they tell me sorry. No wahala, sha, no one. That girl, I just the papa when they sick bed, I just the reason. If not for don't swear for her. She was already mad for street. Jesus! No wahala, sha. I go carry my block. But in case you see me for a story, carry block. No loud down, no loud down.
Hey, Oga. You know go carry your block.
I dey come.
They do it, they come. Show us now 1,000 block you dey carry.
Maybe 500 blocks.
Oga, you dey talk too much. Now 1,000 block you dey carry. You ask too many questions.
1,000 blocks too much. Now if I call friend to call.
If your friend you concern anybody, Papa. May you not go carry your block first. May I land night meet you here. Sure you know say you must carry the whole block today.
I'm sorry, yo.
Shamaka. I like papa when they sick bed, that is the reason. If not, for all the mad for street. For all the mad.
He shock you.
But no wahala, sha. I go carry my block. Only me go carry 1,000 block. Chai! Hey!
They have left you behind. He shock you.
You only you waka come.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you love that. Please subscribe for more videos like this. If you don't like this one, you're gonna like the next one. I promise. I beg. Just subscribe. One love.